About a year ago, I did a video about having red and blue lights on your personal vehicle. Back then, red and blue lights were restricted to emergency vehicles, and there was no exception for off-duty work either. Well, thanks to this year's legislature, that's changing. This week, I want to talk about the changes to ARS 28947, special restrictions on lamps. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. Previously, ARS 28947 restricted the use of red and blue lights with only a few exceptions, namely authorized emergency vehicles, an emergency vehicle used as a display, or in a parade that had a historic plate. There was no exception for the use of flashing red and blues on personal vehicles being used for off-duty jobs, something that's becoming more common in law enforcement. I even did a video on this subject because of how frequently the issue was coming up in my line of work. But on January 29th, 2024, State Senator Anthony Kern introduced Arizona Senate Bill 1196. This bill added a specific exemption to the restrictions on red and blue lights on a vehicle. With the addition of the new language, the exemption to the restriction listed under ARS 28947B1 now reads that the section does not apply to the following, quote, an authorized emergency vehicle or a vehicle on which a red or red and blue light or lens visible from the front is used by a law enforcement officer for traffic control while employed in an off-duty capacity for an entity other than the law enforcement agency, or as expressly authorized or required by this chapter, end quote. This is obviously great news for those officers who need to use their personal vehicles for traffic control during off-duty work. It ensures that those officers can be highly visible to motorists and aren't in violation of the law by adding those lights to their cars. The law was signed by the governor and takes effect on September 14th, 2024. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.